Hi, this is Shuhan. I am a lead UI/UX designer at Net Intelligence Business Solution. This is the web-based company. So I want to show and make a tutorial for everybody on Figma software and how to it can design website, landing page, mobile apps, web application with Figma. So today this is our first tutorial, first series. So today I will show how to install Figma and how we'll use it. Okay, let's see. So we will browse the Figma downloads. Okay, here we'll see figma.com. Click here and we can download from here desktop app for Mac or for Windows. So who are you using Mac, they can download, and they are you can from Windows. Okay, or Figma is a cloud-based software, so we can direct login from here, work on login Figma access. When we log in here, okay, now I am log out my ID, then we will understand. Okay, now I will log in here, continue with Google. I created I should continue with Google. Okay, so here open, this is browser, cloud based. Also, if we have download our Figma software, then we can click here and here will be login option, we can log in here. Okay, so here this is a cloud based software. So here as we can work everything here. So let's see, draft. Okay, that's it, we can use Figma software here. Okay, draft, we can create a new design file, will be open file for new design. Here we can select frame. Okay, otherwise if we have a Figma software download file apps, so this interface will be like that. So we will click here, also we'll open the new file, also we can hit this plus icon, then design file. Okay, now open the new file. So this is the process of install the Figma. Okay, next video I will show you how to use Figma tool. I will show you how how can we use this tool and what it works for the tools. So let's see our next video. Thank you so much.